Hi viewers, long time no see. Recently I'm very busy with work, so that's why there's no new unboxing video. So today, the watch I'm wearing for the unboxing is my Rolex Pexi, but this is not the main character for today. What I'm unboxing today is this new Apple Watch Series 9. Okay, some of you may be wondering, I'm a watch collector, how come I still purchase this Apple Watch? You are right. When Apple Watch was released many years back, I'm hesitating to purchase it. So I only purchased it this year after so many years. So let's take a look. Okay. The usual Apple Watch box, I suppose. So this time round, I chose the pink color, which is the new color for the Series 9. This is the 45mm watch, and I've chose the Nike rubber stripe, which I find quite nice to match it with my pink color watch. So let's take a look. That's what's inside. This is the watch. Even the protector is also pink. Very interesting. So let's try. I'm trying my best not to spoil it because I have the habit to keep everything in a nice form. So let's try my best to remove it nicely. Hopefully I can remove this without breaking it. Yes, good one. Okay. Oh, I think I had on it accidentally. Okay, so this is the watch. I suppose this is the charger. Fast charger. And this is the usual instructions. Nothing much. Let's take a look at the stripe. How do I open this? Oh yeah, it's here. Okay. This one I choose the medium large size. How do I open this? Oh. Oh, is it like that? I find that this material quite soft. Online they call it the blue, but it seems like a black to me. Okay, so maybe after I wear it a few days, I will do a full review of this. Okay, that's all. Hope you all like my video and wait for my in-depth review of this Series 9, especially the battery. It says that on the website says that it can last for 18 hours. So let's see. I won't be wearing with this watch much, okay, because I just want it to monitor my sleep, my backup oxygen, I'll still be wearing my favorite mechanical watch. So see y'all.